And first of all, just start to focus on your breathing. And I'd like you to breathe in and out at a rate that's comfortable and perfect for you. That's right. Continue to focus on that breathing. And I'd like you, in your mind's eye, to imagine that you're standing in front of a big, beautiful door. Taking a moment, examining the colours. Notice the fixtures on the door. What the door is made from. And what does the door frame look like? What is that made from? And what I'd like you to do is to gently open that door, step through the door frame, and you notice in front of you is a beautiful staircase going down to the floor below. And gently we're going to descend these stairs one by one, going down all 10 steps. So first of all, down to step number 10. Feeling that relaxation kicking in. Deeper down to step number 9. Feeling that relaxation in your body. Down to step number 8. Noticing you breathing so nicely. Down again to step number 7. Deeper down to 6. Halfway down to step number 5. Really deep now to step number 4. Down to 3. Really deep to number 2. Down to number 1. And then on to the hallway below. And as you stand there enjoying that experience, breathing so deeply, you notice in front of you is an open doorway into a room. And I'd like you to walk forward to enter that room. And the first thing you notice is that in that room is the most comfortable chair you've ever seen. I'd like you to go and take a seat in your comfortable chair and just feel how relaxed and comfortable that is. As you sit there, you notice that this chair is very strong and very comfortable, and it reminds you of you, and that you're also very strong, and that you like to be comfortable. And as you look around the room, you notice that this is your room, decorated exactly as you'd like. It has all of your favourite objects. And here you feel comfortable and safe. And you know that you can come here at any time and enjoy some safe, calm time here, whenever you like, to think, to relax, or to work out any problems. And as you look around the room and spend time relaxing, you notice to one side there's a glass door, and you notice through the glass door it leads out into an amazing garden. What I'd like you to do is to get up out of your chair, walk towards that glass door, walk through the door, and as you do, you notice in your garden is a beautiful sunken pool with a comfortable seat. And I'd like you to gently step into that pool and take a seat. And you sit there enjoying it. And then you notice that gently this pool starts to fill with lovely warm water. And slowly as the pool fills, it starts to cover your feet. And you notice that your feet start to gently relax. And as the water fills higher, it covers up to your ankles. And you feel your ankles also starting to relax. And the water gently drifts up And it starts to cover your lower legs, your knees, your upper legs, and you really feel that relaxation coming in. Slowly lift higher to your upper legs, your lower back and stomach, your chest, your upper back, and it feels nicely just to the level of your neck. You feel safe and comfortable, and you're really enjoying that relaxation. And as you sit there relaxing, that deep relaxation and breathing so nicely, you notice that water starts to heal every muscle, every cell, fibre and bone in your body. You feel that relaxation and healing coming in like a gentle energy. And as it continues to heal and relax every part of your body, it slows down that aging process, taking those cells and muscles back to how they used to be. As you continue to breathe in and out so comfortably, you continue to enjoy that relaxation and healing as you notice so many changes in your body at a slow, comfortable pace. As you continue to breathe in and out. And as that all continues, you now notice that some of that water in the pool starts to turn into steam, and it drifts up around your face, gently moves around your head. The steam gently rises up and starts to massage your face, your eyes, your neck, your shoulders, your ears. And it gently moves deeper to massage your mind, calming down your thoughts, removing any negative emotions and replacing them all with feelings of calm, relaxation, enjoyment and self-confidence. And as you continue to breathe in and out, you enjoy the sensation of your body healing, relaxation and feeling calm. And then you notice this beautiful energy coming in, energizing every cell, every muscle in a strong but calm way. It relaxes the top of your head to the tips of your toes, from side to side of your body, looking for any areas that need that extra help, giving you the healing and the relaxation that you deserve. You feel your mind calming down, giving you mental strength and clarity, giving you beautiful, relaxed focus. And that feels so wonderful and so enjoyable. And now as your mind, body and spirit are all rebalanced and in alignment, you notice the healing pool now starts to slowly drain itself, the water level gently reducing down and down, and you're aware that any tension, any stress, any anxiety or pain is gently draining away with the water, leaving you feeling wonderful, relaxed and continuing to heal. And now gently I'd like you to get up out of that healing pool, return back to the steps at the bottom of the stairs, and slowly we're going to come back by climbing up to step number 1, up again to step number 2, to 3, 4, up to 5. Enjoying that relaxation as we go up to step number 6, 7, up to 8. Feeling really lighter at step number 9, up again to step number 10, and then walking forward, closing that doorway. And when you're ready, in the next minute of time, bring yourself back to the room, feeling absolutely refreshed and wonderful.